Which of the following situations is most likely to be the subject of a written interim report to the engagement client? Interim communications with a client during an engagement usually infer that some sort of observation has been identified and likely confirmed, and that it requires immediate attention. So let's see if any of the answer choices reflect this. Answer choice A. 70% of the planned audit work has been completed with no significant adverse observations. Well, again, our assumption was that some of this work had to have been completed, and in all likelihood an observation would have been identified. Therefore, choice A can be eliminated. Choice B. The auditors have decided to substitute survey procedures for some of the planned detail review of certain records. Well, this one really doesn't have an application here. This change in procedures is not likely to be a concern for the client. So we can eliminate choice B. Choice C. The engagement program has been expanded because of indications of possible fraud. So this choice is meant to trick you. Take note, possible fraud is not actual fraud. It's not saying that actual fraud has occurred. Generally, more due diligence would also be conducted prior to putting anything in writing, especially regarding fraud, to the client. So we can eliminate choice C. That leaves us with choice D. Open burning at a subsidiary plant poses a prospective violation of pollution regulations. Well, I don't know about you, but this seems like the sort of observation that has an immediate impact. Interim reports are oral or written in nature and may be transmitted formally or informally. Interim reports are used to communicate information that requires immediate attention. Say, having open burning at a subsidiary plant, which might pose a risk in the form of violations of regulations. That certainly qualifies. So, in this case, without a doubt, answer choice D is the right answer.